this one, you're gonna need, let me see, 1, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. All right. Yeah. This one, I get this one from a good friend of mine. This recipe, very good recipe. All right. So you 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. All right. And now, what you wanna do? You wanna get 1 teaspoon of honey. Try and get some organic honey. Give it a mix. Just like this. Alright. Perfect mix for it. Just give it a good mix. And once you mix it, you're gonna pour it into your shot glass. Like this. Alright. Yeah. Like that. Alright. Now, once you pour it in it, what you want to do, you want to have some water, or you can use some warm water. I have some, I can use the lemon water if you want to do this one also. Alright, so what you want to do, I'm going to take this one to show you. You want to drink this. I did the video last night and show you guys how I did this one. This is a the apple cider vinegar shot with honey. Okay, so if you can take this like not every day, you can take it like 1 time a week. Also very good to detox the body. All right, now with the lemon water also help to flush out the bad toxin out of your body. So I would encourage you start to drink a lot of lemon water. If you have a lot of health benefit for you guys, 100% guarantee, 100%. All right, but this one is apple cider vinegar shot, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of also teaspoon of organic honey. Mix it together and drink it as a shot. All right, drink it before you go to your bed, or you can also drink it in the morning after you have a hot cup of tea. Why you don't give it a try? Give it a try, guys, and see. The only thing you can do is try. Nothing beat a trial at home. All right, 100%. Nothing can beat a trial. So what I will do, I'm gonna just drink this one to show you. Huh? Then get the honey. Let's get this one. Wow. The lemon water and drink it. That amazing, right? Now, this one also important. I shared it yesterday. All right. This one very good for your immune system. All right. This one, I don't know. In Jamaica we call this tangerine. All right. So this one also very good for your sugar level and high blood pressure. Okay, this one. In Jamaica we call it tangerine. I don't know what they call it. They call it all different kind of name. I forgot the label. I threw out the label. But anyway, this is what you want to do. All right. This one, very powerful. All right, guys. So you want to do this. This thing right here is very good. If you guys have one of these, please use it. Very good to do certain things at home. Alright, as I can see what I'm doing. So if you have high blood pressure, this is something you want to do on a regular basic. Every day is get one of these little thing right here and make a natural juice every day. So you want to squeeze out these little tangerine like this. Alright? And like this. Alright, so if you notice, when you do it, everything come out of it. Alright, that's so lovely. So guys, I would encourage you start to do this at home right now. It's coming up to Christmas, and I know everyone is busy, but you still have to look after yourself. Alright, look at that. Lovely. Alright, and then make sure everything Let's get this over here. Alright, get the rest out of this. Look at that, beautiful. Now, I got half of a lime, or you can use, I'm using lemon, sorry, half a lemon, you can use lime. Get that juice out of it, like this. Alright? Yeah, so that's what you want to do. Now, get a nice, lovely, fresh piece of a ginger, like this. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the skin from the ginger. Alright. Now, so what you want to do, let's put this aside. That's the ginger, for the ginger. Right? Yeah. That's for the ginger. So we're gonna grate the ginger. Roughly about a teaspoon of ginger. So this is what you want to do. You want to grate the ginger. Alright? Lovely. If you don't have all of these ingredients, you don't have to worry yourself. Just use whatever you have at home. You know what I mean? That's the most important thing. At least a try. Okay? Now get this back and then let's get this off. Alright, so at least a try if you are doing these recipe with Chef Ricardo be making. Okay, at least you can say to yourself, I was trying. Now, with the recipe with the ginger, you want to get 1 teaspoon of ginger into this and squeeze it out. Nice one. So that's the ginger I squeeze out of it. Alright guys? Yeah. Nice one. And after you squeeze it out, what you want to do? Give it a mix. Alright. Once you mix it, then keep this in your fridge and do a shot like this every day. Put this in your fridge, and then what you want to do, you want to do a shot of this every day, but make the ginger a little bit more stronger. Perfect. Very, very good, guys. This one, fantastic and amazing, and you can taste the ginger inside of it. Alright, you can do it with orange, whatever you have at home, just use them and do this one. You know, beautiful right there, fantastic and amazing. All right, so all of them are separate, very, very good for you. All right, yeah, very, very, very good recipe, guys, I'm telling you. Thank you so much, Esther Lily, thank you so much. All right, now this one, I just want to encourage you guys, please try the recipe. Just don't watch the video. Try it. You see, this one is also good to drink at home also. Alright? In the morning, you wake up, this is what you want to do. I'm encouraging you to do this at home in the morning. Get the orange and do this to get that perfect vitamin D in your body. Alright? Yeah, so this is what you want to do. Yeah? You see? The orange, everything come out of the orange. Alright? So this is one what you want to also do at home also. Alright guys, so I'm just encouraging you. I know you might have said just juicing orange, what is talking about. The thing is, a lot of people doesn't do this. Some people do it, but a lot of people doesn't do it. You know what I mean? So but I'm just simply showing you, you can wake up a little bit early in the morning and do this before you go to work. Alright? Yeah, do this before you go to work. Alright? So what you want to do? Drink a shot of this every day. Alright? Squeeze out the orange and do it like this and just drink it. Very good. Alright guys, but as you can see it for yourself, these are very healthy and delicious. Alright, and I will encourage you now, do this simple little recipe at home, can make the difference in your life. Now, the lemon water is very, very important. I want you guys to start to drink the lemon water. It's very good, and you can try the apple cider vinegar and the honey also. Alright, you can try that one. I have another recipe which I get also from a good friend of mine. Very, very good recipe. I tried the other day and I tell you, it's perfect recipe. But most of these recipes I'm sharing with you, I'm going to be doing 1 week detoxing in January. Alright, January month, you know, a lot of people saying, okay, this is my New Year resolution. So that's why I say to you guys, write it down on a piece of a paper and tell yourself this is what you want to do in the new year. Okay, write down some very important thing and some positivity. Do not come with no negativity, because once you come with negativity, it's not gonna work. Try and do your best in positivity in the new year. All right, by the grace of God, that's what we are thinking about. Positivity, no negativity. Even anyone in the house, your husband, anyone, the new year, positivity. That's what we're going to talk about in the January month. Alright, so if you are interested in weight loss and detoxing of the body, I will just encourage you, just write it on a piece of paper and just pray over it and ask the Lord, you know what I mean, this is what I'd like to do in the new year. Don't shy, do not afraid. No one not gonna harm you, no one gonna do you anything. If you write it on a piece of paper and say, Lord, this is what I want to do in the new year, and just pray over it, guys. Alright, if you have high blood pressure, write it down. If you think you have any sickness, write it down, because there are a lot of people are going through a rough time, you know what I mean. But I'm telling you guys, we are here to support one another, and we are not here to tear down anyone. Alright, so we're just building the family, and I want you guys to, you know what I mean, yeah, just try and eat healthy and drink some natural juice. Alright, even the lemon water is also, as I said before, very, very important for you guys to drink. Alright, and I did show you, I showed you guys last night about this recipe, how I, you know what I mean, yeah, that pour